So the main source is from SunSystem. We actually upload the actual numbers from the SunSystem to allow us to produce a forecast, and that's working well for us. And also the maintenance, I think compared to other systems, Kepion has not that level of maintenance that you see in other systems like TM1 or other similar products. I think Kepion, from what we've seen, is an easier system to adopt, and we're continuing to learn more and more about the system, thanks to the support provided by the Professional Advantage team. The main gain for us has been the ability to produce a budget fairly quickly, and also start working or start preparing forecasts when required. The business has introduced a more sophisticated forecasting process, and we've only been able to do that with the new technology, whereas before a forecast had to be pulled together based on data we had in Excel and then data we had in SunSystem, and you had to amalgamate both, and that took a significant effort, whereas now it's all in one system, and we can actually do the analysis fairly quickly now. We can actually report the numbers more effectively to our service leaders, and it's also helping with the strategy development. So it's assisting the business during these difficult times, to make better decisions.